Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving of the exercise 3.1. This exercise is a very important exercise. Today we'll discuss here question number second, question number first completed last lecture, question number second. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? Means suppose question come in these types कि number of elements is given, then you are asking the question, asking the answer here कि how many order of this matrix, how many possible order of this matrix, then how to give the answer in this question. Now look here. So suppose question number 2 here given is suppose number of the elements is 24. So how to give answer in this type question? Is suppose you are given in the 24, yeah, 20, 100, 50, 60, any number suppose given here, any number suppose given. Number of the elements suppose here any number you have given. So then how to give the answer in this question, this type question? You will be make the factor, the number of all possible order, all possible order equal 1 into 24 first order. First order here 1 into 24. Second order opposite of this 24 into 1. First order here 1 into 24. Suppose this is the 1 into 24 means only one row, I mean row matrix. Only one column means column matrix, 24 into 1. Third, you can multiply here 2 into 12 at second, 12 into 2 also. 12 into 2, sorry, 12 into 2. First here 1 into 12 into 2 into 12, next 12 into 2, 12 into 2. Next order here suppose 3 into 8. 8 is here 24 and next 8 into 3 also. Means this matrix or this matrix is different. Just like a 1 into 24 matrix and 24 1 into matrix is different. Similarly here 2 into 24 and 24 into 12 both matrices is different. As similarly here 3 into 8 or 8 into 3 both matrices is different. The next here 8 into next here 6 into 4 and next 4 into 6. In this time matrix 6 4 is 24, 4 6 is 24. So both the matrices are different here. Then next here 12 into 2 or 12 into 2 into 2. All possible matrices are coming. So now count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total possible order. So you can add answer here total possible order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total order is 8. You can answer in the complete way. You can explain this way and you can answer in short form is 8. In this way you can find it. So any number, suppose you are 12, suppose you are 6, suppose you are 10, suppose you are 100, suppose you are 50, then you will find a factor of it in this way and then count you off, then you give the answer according. Every question you will solve according in this way. Then you note down it, then discuss next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 3rd. Question number 3rd here, same question number 2nd. Now look here, question number 3rd here. If a matrix has 18 elements, question number 2nd having the 24 elements and question number 3rd here 18 elements. So you will solve this question same pattern, question number according to question number 2nd. So now discuss here question number 4th. Construct a 2 into 2 order matrix where A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by the three parts are given here, three matrices will find here. Three matrix you will find out second order matrix. Now discuss your question number 4. First of all, you will construct here 2 into 2 order matrix. And what is the value given here? Matrix is represented by Aij equal to is 2 into 2 order matrix. Or what is the first part of this question? Aij, what is the identity of this? Aij equal I plus j square upon 2, according this way. So now first look here this question. You will be construct the matrix. This matrix you will be construct here 2 into 2 order matrix. Or what value of the Ij? This is the given the identity here. You will be put the you will put the particular value of the Ij in this identity. Then find the value of the matrix. So now first discuss here. Suppose this matrix in rough figure of this. This one is a rough figure. This is not the fair matrix. I will construct here. So you will be construct here 2 into 2 order matrix. So first we will make a rough figure here. 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. This matrix is a 2 into 2 order. This is the rough matrix. Means first element is called here 1 1. Second element is called the 1 2. And third element will be called the 2 1, and fourth element is called 2 2. This matrix is the 2 into 2 order. A same matrix you will be construct here 2 into 2 order. This means you will be construct in this type matrix. What value of the 1 1? What value of the 1 2? What value of the 2 1? Or what value of the 2 2? You will be find the value of the in this identity. Listen again. You will be find the value of these elements with help of this identity. Second things, what is the I, what is the j? You know I is the represent the row and j is represent the columns. So this means I 1 1 means first row first column. Ij, I value of the I are 1, value of the j are 1. Value of the I are 1 or value of the j are 2. Same things here, value of the I are 2 or value of the j are 1. Same things, value of the I are 2 or value of the j are 2. So now discuss here I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Means you will get 1 1. Putting the value here 1 plus 1 is square upon 2. 1 plus 1 2 का square is 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. When you calculate this, you get the answer here 2. Means you are getting the value of this identity, this elements. Second element is a 1 2 means I equal to 1 and j equal to 2 means you are getting 1 2 elements. 1 plus 2 is square upon 2. Now we check this. 1 plus 2 is 3. Square of 3 is 9. 9 by 2. Means you are getting the value of the 1 2 means this elements. After that you will get the value of this elements means I equal 2 and j equal 1 means 2 1. So 2 plus 1 is square upon 2 is same things are 9 by 2. Same thing 2 plus 1 3 square 9 by 2 means you are getting the value of this 9 by 2 also. After last value you will get here 2 2. This elements means I equal to here 2 and j equal here 2. You can say 2 2. The 2 plus 2 upon 2 and this one same is square. 2 plus 2 here 4. Square of 4 is 16 upon 2 is equal to 8. So you have get the value of 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Then you can write here the required matrix here. A equal, according this help 1 1, this is the according this is 2 9 by 2, same things are 9 by 2, and this is the 8. You will be write the matrix in particular address. This is the address of the 1 1, this is the address of the 1 2, this one is the address of the 2 1, and this one is the address of the 2 2. You will write, when you write the matrix in the matrix form, these elements, you will write proper form of the matrix. Don't write here that 2 or 8 will interchange. You will write the elements here, proper address. What is the address of this elements? You will mention here. So this is the rough work. This one is a rough work. This is not required to be fair. You will, this is your answer. So this one is a rough work, not required to note down for. You will note down these parts. Just note down, then discuss next part. Yes class, next question the second part of the question number 4 here. The same you will solve here. Here write the I upon j. This is not different. You can easily solve this question, and third part also similar of the first part. Then we'll discuss here question number 5th. Question number 4th and 5th the same, but here using the mod sign. Then something different. Then discuss here question number 5th in first part only. This one is having here the mod sign. Yes, now question number 5th. You will find here the matrix, required matrix order is 3 into 4. And means you will write here A equal Aij in short form 3 into 4 matrix. You have required here 3 into 4 matrix. And what is the identity of the first part here given? Aij equal 1 by 2. This is the mod sign here, minus 3i and plus j. Now look here. Now look here. Means required matrix you have required here 3 into 4 order, and this is the symbolic form of this. Ij equal. This is the Ij here at a subscript. Don't write in the superscript. We will write here Aij in subscript. Means row and column. I represent rows, J represent the column. So I 3 and 4 order matrix of this are using this identity. The same thing you will make here, and this is the symbol of the mod sign. This one. So when you remove the mod sign, this will come always in the positive. Means value is not coming in the negative form. This value always come in the positive form. The same things here. You will make a first rough 3 into 4 order, 3 row and 4 column, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3 and 1 4, because you have 4 column, 3 into 4, and 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, and 3 1, 3 3 and 3 2. Sorry, this one is the 3 2, 3 3 and 3 4. This is you have required is the 3 into 4 order. This one the rough sketch of your answer. This is a rough sketch of your answer. It means first 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. The total elements are 12. 3 into 4. This is 3 row represent the 3. A column first, second, third, fourth. This is the 4 column. Now, the first one we will discuss this point here 1 1. Now I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, then you can represent 1 1. So 1 upon 2, 3 into 1 plus 1, what value get here? You can calculate in the rough notebook, don't write your board is a failure. The 3 1 is 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Why? Minus 3 plus 1 answer is called the minus 2. According to the rules of the integers, minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. When you removing the minus 2 is mod sign here, the result is come plus 2. So plus 2 upon 2, the result that come is 1. Plus 2 upon 2 divided by 2, the result will come 1. So this one is 1. Second, I equal 1 and j equal 2 means this form. 1 2 means 1 and 2. 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2. What result come here? Minus 3 plus 2, result come minus 1. So 1 upon 2, result here come 1 by 2. Similarly, you will get result here 1 3. I equal 1 and j equal 3. What result get here? 1 3 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. This one is the j. 3i plus j. The I value is 1, j value is 3. So minus 3 plus 3 result 0. So 0 into answer here come always is 0. 0 is element here. 0 is also element here. Here answer comes 0 or into 1 by 2 is total result is 0. But this one is the last year, next year 1 4. Then I equal to 1 and j equal to 4. Then you can answer 1 4. Then you get answer here minus 3 into 1 plus 4. The result here come here plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 result will come plus 4. No, plus 1. So 1 into 1 by 2. What result will give here? 1 by 2. Means first row work is complete. Similarly, we will find the solution at second row. Similarly, you will find the row solution is third row. So now, I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. It means 2 1. 1 3 into 2 plus 1. So 3 2 just 6 minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. My mod sign with the plus 5 plus 5 by 2. Next, this one work is complete. Next, I 2 and j also here 2. And then 2 into 2 1 by 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2. So 3 to just 6 minus 6 plus 2 to minus 4 are divided by 2. So answer is 2. Where after solving this, then get the answer 2. Next, this one is completed. Then next here 2 3. I equal to 2 and j equal to 3. The answer 2 into 3 1 by 2. So 3 into 2 plus 3. So 3 to just 6 plus minus 6 plus 3 to the answer minus 3. So then answer is 3 by 2. Next, this one is 2 4. Second row is finished. I equal to 2 and j equal to 4. Result here 2 4. 1 by 2. So 3 into 2 plus 4. So what? 3 to just 6 plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. When you go in the sign here mod, then plus 2 upon 2 is 1. Means according this way you will be solve the question in the first row, second row, then similarly you solve the question third row also. Yeah. This one I equal to 3 and j equal 1 means 3 1. 1 by 2 mod sign here minus 3 into 3 plus 1. What result get here? Minus 3 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1. What result get here? So 3 3 are 9, minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. A minus plus 8 upon 2 upon equal to 4. The value of this is 314. Similarly, you will fail to find the 3 2. I equal to 3 and j equal to 2. What will you get here? You 3 2. 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 3 are 9 plus 2. So minus 7. Minus 7 means 7 by 2. This one is upon 7 by 2. Again next last year, second last year, I equal to 3 and j equal to 3 here. When you get here 3 3. So 1 upon 2. So minus 3 into 3 plus 3. 3 3 are 9 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Plus 6 by 2, the answer is 3. 2 3 is 6. And last year, according this way, 3 4. I equal to 3 and j equal to 4. Answer here you get 3 4. So this is 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4. What result you get here? 3 3 is 9 plus 4. So 9 plus 4 means 5. 9 minus 9 plus 4 means plus 5. Plus 5 means 5 by 2. Means you have getting all values of this order according to the 3 into 4 order. So now you will write your answer. Now required matrix here. Matrix A here. According this address, you will fill this answer here. First, A11 is 1, A12 is 1 by 2, next here 0, and next here 1 by 2. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, and 1 4. Next here 5 by 2, 2, and 3 by 2. Next here 1. And next year आपके third row start from here 3 1 4 4 7 by 2 and 3 and 5 by 2. You check the answer from answer sheet. Answer will come here correct. Will become correct here. You can check the answer here. This is correct or not from answer sheet. This will always correct answer here. This is the fourth row. Sorry, this is the third row. This one is the here the second row, and this one here the first row. According answer you write according this way. Don't write according the column wise. You will answer always write in the row wise. Yes, you note down, then discuss next point.